What's your name?
My name is Tai Kang.
What is the name of the book?
Each circles and scales.
Why does Mary hate art class?
Mary cannot draw very well.
Who is David?
David is Mary's friend. He can draw very well.
What does David use to help him draw?
David draws shapes.
What shapes does David use to draw a dog?
David uses circles, triangles, and ovals to draw a dog.
What shapes does Mary use to draw a cat?
Mary uses triangles, ovals, draw a cat.
What picture does Mary draw?
Mary draws a beautiful sun.